You are going to love the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, electronic stability control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.